Did you know that over 60% of courier transportation businesses in the U.S. that hold an SBA certification experience a significant increase in their federal contracts? Yes, you heard it right. And it's not just one type of certification we're talking about. The Small Business Administration offers a variety of certifications designed to help diverse business owners thrive. For instance, there's the Women-Owned Small Business Certification, a fantastic tool for female entrepreneurs to gain a competitive edge. Then, there's the Hub Zone Certification, a unique opportunity for businesses operating in historically underutilized business zones. Let's not forget the Service Disabled Veteran-Owned Certification, an excellent initiative for our brave veterans. And finally, the Social Disadvantage Certification, a lifeline for businesses owned by individuals facing social or economic hardship. These certifications are not just badges of honor, they're tickets to success. Evidently, acquiring an SBA certification could be a game changer for your courier business. Navigating the process of obtaining your SBA certification may seem daunting, but with a clear roadmap, it becomes a manageable task. So, let's embark on this journey together. First, it's essential to understand that there are different types of SBA certifications, each with its unique set of requirements and benefits. For instance, if your business is primarily women-owned, you may qualify for the Women-Owned Small Business Certification. This certification opens up a world of federal contracts specifically set aside for women-owned businesses. Isn't that empowering? Then we have the Hub Zone Certification. If your business operates in a historically underutilized business zone, this certification can give you a competitive edge in securing federal contracts. For our brave service-disabled veterans, your sacrifices have not gone unnoticed. The Service Disabled Veteran-Owned Small Business Certification is designed to offer you unique opportunities in the federal marketplace. And finally, there's the Socially Disadvantaged Certification. If you can demonstrate that your business is socially disadvantaged, this certification can help you level the playing field. Now let's talk paperwork. The necessary documentation may vary depending on the certification, but generally you'll need to provide proof of business ownership, financial documents, and in some cases, evidence of social disadvantage or disability. To make the process smoother and faster, it's crucial to have all your paperwork in order and easily accessible. You might also want to consider seeking assistance from SBA's resource partners, such as small business development centers, women's business centers, or SCORE mentors. They can provide valuable guidance and help you avoid common pitfalls. Remember, the journey to SBA certification is not a sprint, but a marathon. It may seem overwhelming at times, but the benefits waiting at the finish line make it all worthwhile. With the right preparation and guidance, securing your SBA certification can be a straightforward process. And remember, this journey is not just about securing a certification, it's about unlocking opportunities, embracing growth, and realizing your business potential. Now that you understand the value of SBA certification and the process of obtaining it, it's time to take action. Imagine seizing the opportunity to secure more federal contracts, expanding your reach, and elevating your courier business to a whole new level. With SBA certification, this isn't just a dream, it's a reality within your grasp. Whether you're a woman-owned enterprise located in a hub zone, a service-disabled veteran-owned business, or a socially disadvantaged entity, SBA certification is designed to give you a competitive edge. It's more than just a badge. It's a key that unlocks a world of untapped potential for your business. Envision your courier business flourishing, reaching new milestones, and creating a lasting impact. This is the power of SBA certification. It's not just about surviving in the business world, it's about thriving. Don't wait. Elevate your courier business to new heights today with SBA certification. Your journey to success starts here.